It's us, Dynamics, and Zombie X. We're gonna play Knockout today. No!
I won!
How? You're so
I just pushed somebody. I got the purple.
Me and Dynamics are good at this game.
I got a bronze buccaneer.
Oh, good.
Where you just have that too?
No, I want it. Yay. I got my first knockout.
I got a bronze award. I'm
Where's she?
angry. Wait, where are you? Okay, I'm that one. That's the only one.
Why?
That's
That's me.
No, this one.
Okay. Wait. If you shoot.
No,
No.
I'm sorry, twin.
Oh! We made a win.
Wait, spin
It's okay.
wheel. Spin
Oh,
wheel.
yeah.
But
Is it free? Oh, it's free. I have no clue at playing this game.
I have no clue at
What is a vacation time, guy?
Got 17.
Oh, I want to get an ice cube thing.
What?
I want pastel red.
What's part of it? Oh, is this locked or not?
Why? Oh, I get daily free ice.
I remember something. I got the galaxy thing.
Where?
The galaxy skin, remember?
I don't.
That still has the necromancer event.
Oh, I got the uncommon green. Is that good?
I got a mythic pop arrow.
How? I want to get one too.
And I will save you. And I got a mythic too. Go here.
Sakto? Sakto? Oh, I got too many. Wow, I got so many. I got so many. Life run.
I'm super duper lagging.
Yeah, I got a mythic coral arrow. It's because of the rewards, right? That's why
What
we're
arrow?
lagging. It's coral arrow. Who's swimming in more? Scuba.
Wait, look. It's so. Look at my arrow. It's so beautiful.
No, I got knocked out.
Oh, you got knocked out. Too much. Wait. Oh,
I
bye.
got so many ice cream cones.
Bye.
Why? Oh, wait. We're gonna finish this video. We're making a vid, remember? I got the clownfish. Oh, so cute. Oh, I have 2K. Let's see what can I get. I got 200.
I'm gonna win this for you.
I want this dinosaur. Is that Thyceria good?
No, I died.
Is Thyceria good?
Wait, can you see?
Thyceria.
What?
Triceria pala.
What?
Triceria.
No, it's a common.
So,
I remember
I
that
wanna
we
be
played
clownfish. I don't play this game. Oh, I have a little clownfish in my...
No, we played this game.
No, I haven't.
Oh yeah.
What do you mean? I think you're dreaming. I want the chubby guy. The cute one. I want the sponge arrow so it can...
I'm so laggy.
Okay. Why do you keep saying I'm so lagging? I'm so lagging. I'm so lagging. Wow, single. Lol.
Why did you get so many?
What's this? I got another coral arrow. I think coral arrow are uncommon.
I got the coral arrow too.
I think it's common to get.
licorice. It's like licorice.
Yeah, it looks like licorice. Oh no, I don't want another arrow thing. Oh, I got a pop arrow. I want it so I can equip it for my chubby dude.
I got it.
I'm chubby. Did you die?
Oh my god, the farm event! Let's go to farm event.
Is the farm event good?
Yeah. You can get skins.
How? How can you get the skin?
By this.
Get out.
See, so I cannot see around. I got two versions of myself, Zombie X and Zombie X.
Wow.
King Doodoo. King Doodoo.
I'm gonna kill you all with my chubbiness.
Help me, brother. You can do this for me.
Wee! Oh,
Do this for me.
I lost.
No.
I'm gonna go AFK too. I saw you.
Why so lagging?
Oh, you're lagging?
I claimed doll. Oh, this is good. I claimed all.
Oh, I got an arrow. Why don't we keep getting mythics?
Wait, what's the one more one? I want the mermaid.
I got a BBQ. Wait, the BBQ splash is so good. I want it. I can equip it for my chubby. Did you know that the viewers can hear us whispering? I got the pirate egg! I'm Conan. Buccaneer.
What did you get?
Buccaneer. Boncaneer.
I got an arrow.
Yeah, I got it too.
We all got it.
My second last.
What if I got the fishing rod arrow?
My last. You keep getting the arrow crate.
Another arrow crate.
Wow, we keep getting arrow crates.
Another mythic.
Someone get the sweet one, please. So much.
Another arrow crate.
I'm gonna get the dinosaur too.
Another mythic.
Oh, I got the baseball. I want cookies and cream. Wow, I got vanilla.
I got bicycle.
I want metallic egg.
I got the fire egg.
Papalitin din.
Buccaneer.
Oh, I got buccaneer too.
Pag nanalo ka na,
We both have buccaneer. Bye, guys. We're gonna finish this. See you later, alligators. Ha ha ha. Bye.